Hello, it's food time. I'm going to eat some food. Cat Chef says that they messed up the chicken, but to not judge, so I'm not going to judge it. The
Mm,
salad's good.
better than anything I
Some
could make.
spinach, some apple. Well, I don't think the chicken's going to be raw, but we'll find out. I mean, I don't think
It's
there's anything
fucking
really wrong with that.
raw. It's fucking raw. Gordon Ramsay is a fascinating pop culture figure.
Yes. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that chicken, really.
That grilled cheese was something else.
The most epic grilled cheese.
Yeah,
He could have saved face by just being like, I was trolling. Obviously.
I was trolling. I was just pretending to be stupid.
The fact that he did like a redemption and still fucked it up, it makes it
Yeah,
even
because it
worse.
was still like a very pretentious grilled cheese. It's
Yeah, it
like,
doesn't look great.
yeah, what do you, I don't know what else you could expect.
It's simple.
He That grilled cheese just kind of showed me how accurate the movie Pig was in its criticism of like fine dining. It's like, oh, yeah, there's just a lot of pretentious chefs.
I mean, yeah, the chicken was still good. It was like kind of a thin piece of chicken, but
Yeah, Adam has a Nanoland shirt. Nanoland, presumably cosplaying as that Simpsons character or whatever.
I guess.
Or Jerry Seinfeld in the Bee Movie. I like that, like, Jerry Seinfeld after Seinfeld had, like, the Bee Movie, whereas, like, Larry David was doing, like, Curb. It's like, Seinfeld is so, like, lame.
I like how long it took people to figure out that Jerry Seinfeld's not funny.
Yeah. I still haven't seen Unfrosted. I don't know if I want to.
What about Unfrosted Dark Web?
Now that's a classic. Oh, yeah, I saw a review of the Unfriended sequel that actually brought your review of the first movie up a few times.
Oh, nice.
I don't remember who it was though. Mista GG or something like that. I
Oh,
don't
cool.
know.
Yeah, I know who they are.
It was kind of cool.
Ugh, I'm exhausted.
Un
That was delicious.
Unfriended is like a fascinating film.
It's Terabad.
Yeah, it's
Ugh.
definitely not good.
It is in the category of giga cringe films.
It is very funny that the guy from the Doritos skit is
I
there
can't
though.
believe they just took that off YouTube for no reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, and They
Just because
even
it
put
said the
it in
words like "cool cat stops a blank" in it. Like, I don't know. Did it get removed from YouTube, or did they decide it was like insensitive and took it down themselves, or some stupid shit?
I believe it was taken down by the creator because I tried
Lame.
upload I tried uploading like a version I got off archive.org and it was like immediately copyright claimed and like you cannot show this.
So lame.
It's like,
Why you gotta
yeah.
be so lame about it?
It's a funny bit. Like it was a good skit. I thought it was really funny.
I
There is
eat
a
too fast.
backup
I
of
do
it.
not eat too fast. I eat efficiently. Shut up. That meal was
There
a
is a backup
good
of it
meal.
on
I liked
the
that meal. Thank you for subscribing to my TED Talk.